common words with examples in Persian. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have a special video that one of our friends tried to collect these common and new words in Persian and make some sentences and then send them for me. And I promised him that I will make a video about these sentences. At first, I thought that maybe it's a good idea to edit these sentences, and then I thought that no, it's better to share the sentences with you. If it needs some correction or editing, we will do it together. And I think it is more useful for you. These sentences are perfect and I really appreciate it. Actually, if you want to participate in these kind of videos, you can send messages in my WhatsApp. You can find the link in the description and also in the about of my channel. You can contact me and also send such a voice and sentences. Then I record a video just like today and we read your sentences and I give you feedback like this. I think it's a very great idea. Thanks to you that starting such a valuable and great content. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's start it. Stop talking. The first word is tarbiyat. 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 Okay, the sentence. تربیت سخت والدینش او را به انضباط قوی عادت داد. تربیت سخت والدینش او را به انضباط قوی عادت داد. It is more common to say عادت داده. It is better to say داده است. But you know that in spoken Persian we usually omit است and we say داده. You know that او را in spoken Persian it turns into اونو. او را is اونو. So تربیت سخت والدینش اونو به انضباط قوی عادت داده. The next word is an adjective. براق. براق. او لباسهای براق و زیبایی می پوشد. او لباسهای براق و زیبایی می پوشد. Now, اراده قوی. اراده قوی. اراده قوی. با اراده قوی او توانست عادات بد خود را متوقف کند و زندگی بهتری داشته باشد. That is a perfect sentence and I'm really proud of you. But I want to tell you the spoken form and maybe make it more fluent in Persian. Okay? با اراده قوی توانست in spoken turns into تونست عادات بد خود را متوقف کند. We usually use the verb ترک کردن. عادات بد خود را ترک کند و زندگی بهتری داشته باشد. So, the verb ترک کردن with عادت or عادات is more common in Persian. حدس. حدس. من حس می کردم که چیزی اشتباه است وقتی او شروع به رفتار عجیبی کرد. I think it's the perfect choose that he choose حس کردن instead of حدس زدن. This is a correct sentence. It's not incorrect, but maybe it is more common in Persian to say that وقتی که داشت عجیب رفتار میکرد. The next one is نتیجه. نتیجه. این نتیجه گناه اوست. You know, it's like a karma. When something bad happened for someone. You can say این نتیجه گناه خودشه یا گناه اوست. فقر. فقر. You know, فقر is noun. Now the adjective which is poor is فقیر. بسیاری از سازمان‌های خیریه به کاهش فقر در کشورهای در حال توسعه کار می‌کنند. It is better to say کمک می‌کنند. یعنی they help to reduce the poverty, okay, in developing countries. Here, work is the exact translation of کار, but here in this sentence, it doesn't make any sense, okay? It doesn't mean anything. Pay attention that in this sentence, okay? شوک تروما. شوک تروما. او هنوز در شوک است. او هنوز در شوک است. Such a complete and a correct sentence. But I give you the spoken form, okay? This is the spoken form. اون هنوز تو شوکه. تهدید. تهدید. سگ مهاجم تبدیل به یک تهدید برای محله شد و باعث ترس میان ساکنان شد. دعوای لفظی. دعوای لفظی. این یک مبارزه کلامی بود، نه یک مبارزه جدی. Instead of مبارزه کلامی, it was better to say دعوای لفظی. این یک دعوای لفظی بود. And also مبارزه, it's a very formal word. We say also دعوا. این یه دعوای لفظی بود، نه یه دعوای جدی. And the last one is دشمنی. دشمنی. من دشمنی ندارم. من دشمنی ندارم. Well guys, that was the common words that was consist of nouns and adjectives in Persian that one of our friends tried to collect them and make sentences with them. That was perfect. That was awesome. Good job. And continue doing this. If you want to participate in these kind of videos, you are very welcome, and you can send me messages in my WhatsApp. That was a beautiful idea and I really appreciate it. Thanks again. Also, if you want to learn Persian with Asal, you can subscribe to Learn Persian with Asal channel. And for supporting more, you can join in my Patreon. You can find the link in the description. But you know that there is no obligation, but there is much appreciation. Thanks for watching. بوس به کله هاتون. I'm Asal. Love you. Bye.